Family, it's yours truly, James Mack, back with another video. And today I'm talking about this YouTube journey I've been on. It's finally happening, and that's right, James Mack Entertainment is finally monetized. And guess what, family? I got my first YouTube check, and I'm gonna share it with y'all. I'm gonna show you how much it is, you know what I'm saying? But it's not about the money, you know what I mean? Let's get that straight. It's about the journey, and you can do it too, baby. You know, so grab your notebook, you know, because today we're spilling the tea or the beans or whatever you want to call it on how I got here and how you can start building your own empire, your own YouTube empire, okay? Snapping with your own camera, as my man used to say, all right? The excitement of having your first check is crazy, but hey, some of you gonna say that ain't no money and all that, but let's just hold tight. So like, subscribe, and share. Let's get into this video. This what I have on this phone right here is proof that you could turn or what's impossible into the possible. You know, the passion that you have, you can turn into profit. You know what I mean? And I want to let you know first, my first YouTube check, you know, was one of the biggest things that ever happened to me. You know, but we'll get into that. Let me say this is only the beginning. You must know that, okay? It's only the beginning. All right, so, you know, it goes on from here, and we're going to keep talking about that too. All right? So you don't have to go to squinting. I know you really can't see it, the amount just yet. But it's not about the amount, you know what I mean? It's about what it represents. You know, the consistency, the community, and the content. You know what I mean? This check tells me that I'm bringing value to you, baby. I'm bringing value to you. And, you know, my hard work is paying off. You know, after 6 years of YouTube, since 2000, more than 6 years, 2016, you know, trying to do these videos, trying to get monetized. And you know what? It's the same road you can take. You know, it's not any gatekeepers. It's no excuses and none of that type of stuff. You know what I mean? It's about the journey. And that's what I want to explain to you all. So go ahead and get your pad out, because I want you to take some notes. Let's keep it real. This thing did not happen overnight. You know, I didn't wake up and boom, I was monetized. I had to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. And let me tell you, every one of those numbers came with a lesson. You know what I mean? I had videos that was boo-boo and boo, and then I had recently some videos that skyrocketed straight out the atmosphere, 100,000 views for me, okay? So before you even hit, you know what I mean, the record, asking yourself, why am I doing this? For me, it was simple. You know what I mean? I wanted to create a community that empowers Black Americans, builds wealth, and keeps it 100% authentic, you know, 100% real. You feel me? Find your why and stick to it. And I'm still trying to find mine, so, you know, I'm just giving you that piece of advice. Find your why. You know, listen, family, you don't need a slick camera. You don't need a Hollywood production that's nice and everything. You know, don't get me wrong, that's nice. You know, my first videos were straight up off the cell phone. You know, let's keep it real. You know what I mean? But I stayed consistent. And I want to show you that, you know, it's times I don't even feel like doing it. Right now, I don't feel like doing it, but I'm doing it, baby, because we got to get the content out. People don't relate to perfection. They relate to you. They don't care about it being perfect. There's people out here like Dope Dash just doing it off her cell phone, and that's it. But you like her. You know, now engaging with your audience is a game changer, right? The comment section, as we always know, the comment section is where it gets juicy. You know, I just don't talk to you, I listen to you. You know, we had over 2,000 and some odd comments on the one last video, and I responded to everyone. And there was a lot of positive things going on here. All right, but let's not talk about me. Let's talk about you. All right, and you. All right. Maybe you're sitting there, you're thinking, but James, I don't know what to talk about. Stop doubting yourself, first of all, okay? Share the stories you can share. Do you cook? Huh? Review your plates and your recipes. Are you a sneakerhead? Review your shoes. You know, do you have a testimony? Most importantly, let's talk about that. You know, because there's so many people out there that need to hear your story. You know, that's waiting for you to show up so they can jump on board with you. Dope Dash doing all them numbers over there, and she's just a regular woman. She even shared a story about HIV, her having HIV or something like that. So that's deep, all right? Now listen, you don't want to reinvent the wheel. Just bring your voice to the table. You might be on the one video away from inspiring thousands. I didn't know my one video was going to inspire 100,000 people, you know, but my time finally came for that, you know. Sometimes we need to push. Sometimes we need that push. So I'm going to push you and let you know you can do it. But let's get raw for a second. Just one second. Let's get raw. You know, do you know how many people told me this wouldn't work? That there's no more room for another guy out here on YouTube trying to do their thing like this here? And now look, we're monetized and on the rise, you know? So if I can do it, you can do it. You know what I mean? If you're scared, if you don't know where to start anywhere. Take your phone, hit the record button, let's go and start recording, because this is the new wave. This is the new wave. This is another stream of income for you. So the only thing standing in between that is you, family. You feel me? So I want to give y'all some tips and everything. So here we go. Let's get into the tips. But first, before we do that, what you came for, let's talk about the numbers, all right? My first YouTube check was $230 after 6-7 years, all right? Now, some of y'all may be like, James, that's it? But let me tell you, man, $230 is worth millions, because I know that's only the first check. I know I'm gonna get into this bag. I'm gonna get into this bag, right? And that just starts the foundation. You know what I mean? So we're on the way. Don't get it twisted. It's just the beginning. You know, $1 million of gain can come from that. Drink champs can come from that. You already seen some of our live streams, so you know we're coming for it. So if you keep building, that's what they telling me. You keep building, you stay consistent, and focus on delivering value more than anything, that $230 could be $2,300, could be $230,000. You feel me? And beyond. So it's all about planting the seed and staying the course, man. You got to watch the seeds grow. Like one of my OGs said, you got to watch the grass grow sometimes. You feel me? And that's just where we at with it right now. You know what I mean? So let me give you some tips and some news you can use, something that may not blow your fuse. You know what I mean? Here's what you need to do. If you're thinking about starting a channel, stop thinking. That's number one. And start doing it. Drop your channel ideal in the comments. Let me hear about it. You know, we can go back and forth and for free. You know what I mean? And if you're already in the game, then tell us what's working for you, because I need to get my numbers up. We only got almost 3,000 subscribers, so I'm trying to get up to, 50, 60,000 very quickly. You feel me? Let's go. And for those that's just tuning in, hit that like, subscribe button. Turn on your notifications, family. You know what I mean? Because we just getting started. Best is yet to come. You could be next, family. I'm gonna go ahead and shut this little video out, but I want to give you some more content before I go, some more tips and things like that. Family, YouTube is bigger than you think it is. It's all about creating opportunities and breaking barriers, okay? I want you to remember that. It's about having a legacy. You know, a lot of times YouTube is just showing your growth and how much you can grow. Subscribe for more content on wealth, self-empowerment, and real talk, because that's what we're doing. We really talking real talk. You know what I mean? Let's get to the bag. It's your man, James Mack.